registered as voters? Okay. No, we don't want negative people. Our future depends on the decision in it to make next year. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Nairobi CBD and I want to show you the developments that are taking place. The government is installing some cabros all over the town, I guess. And so I'm at the market side. That's Marikiti market of the city. So here, and as you can see, we have some cabros behind me. So let me take you towards Moi Avenue so that you can see the developments that are taking place in this city. Yeah, so let me show you. That's an electric bus. They are still working. I guess the biggest thing that they need to work on is the waste management in the city. So let's move along. I guess this is the Afya Center area near railways. Yeah. Now I have to deal with another stress of crossing the road. Hi. I have to deal with another stress of crossing the road. Thanks God it's not very busy. Something is happening here.
Unapata wiki ya kwanza hana swali, wiki ya pili hana swali. Bana naambia mimi niko na stress. Siwezi na kwamba kitu hapa kwa hichi.
Yes, there is a meeting for men because I don't see any lady there. So that guy is advising the men. Hi. He's advising the men. So I moved. This is, I don't know the name of this drive, but this is the uko kadi.
Kadi hapana.
Uyuko kadi.
Naweza tolewa kwa nyuma nikipata kwa
so I just asked the guy if he's a registered voter, and he said some funny statement. So this is the Afya Center building, this big green building here. That's Afya Center. The city on this side is looking very clean. Hello. Mko kadi? Mko kadi?
kadi.
Yes. Are you registered as voters? Okay. Yeah.
Kasi ni one time mama. Nuwezi useme one time.
Tutamtoa. Hata tukikosa kutoa. Watu walimweka hapo ndo watamtoa. Si nyinyi. Lakini acha nikwambie kitu moja. Unaona vile mnasema hapa ma one time. Haitawa. Bado ndo watawizi.
No, we don't want negative people.
Ni sawa.
Ni one time lakini.
Ni sawa.
Sisi tuko kadi. Okay, sisi tunajiambia ni one time, si ndio?
Tuko kadi na vijana tunataka kuishi vizuri. Our future depends on the decision yenye tuta make next year. Sawa, ulikuwa unataka kuniambiaje?
Nakaa fit.
Thank you. Bye, good day. The people there are registered as voter, but that one guy was very negative, and I don't stick around negative energy. You see all the cabros here. Now, let me just book the road, then go to the other side, and I'll show you guys the rest of the area. So yeah, this here. The city is looking beautiful on this side. Uko kadi, uko kadi. Sawa. You see, the young people are very busy here. They have created businesses for themselves. Cameras, cameras, cameras. That's the hotel. What's the name of this avenue, guys? Wenye mnajua tao. I only know it as the road to Maripito Afya Center. It was drilling some few minutes ago, but right now the weather is looking good, and it's a good time for me to shoot my content. I only wish the city was like this everywhere. Look at how beautiful and clean it is. Here comes another area kuvuka barabara. Yo, oh my God. I sure you follow people. More people shooting content on this area. I want to book on that side where they are making Nairobi work and see whether it's really working. This side here. This is the area with the Nganyas. Yo, this side is also looking so good with street lights. I hope you guys can see this. So beautiful. If you enjoy watching content from Africa, Kenya in particular, hit that subscribe button and let me know where you are watching from. They installed some street lights on this area. Let me show you. Just a minute. Like this one here. You see, this is what I'm talking about. They should really handle waste management in this country. I feel like I'm going back to the direction I came from. So what I'll just do, guys, I'll go back towards Moi Avenue. No, maybe towards Archives, then Moi Avenue. You see, they also have these places that people can sit around. Yeah. So people are just chilling. Maybe we're waiting for the matatus. Maybe they were out here for lunch break. So let's go towards the archive direction and see what's going on. Some even are having their lunch here, like this lady, this beautiful lady here. So let's move towards archive. She's asking me if I took a video of her eating, and I told her yes, I did. Let's make Nairobi work. Asante, asante. Oh yeah. I need to book a Let's make Nairobi work. Hello. Let's make Nairobi work by also managing the drainage system, so we won't be having some flooding issues here and there. We are now back at the rainy season. Like when I was coming here this morning. Sorry? Uko kadi kwanza?
Uko kadi mbaya sana.
Sawa.
Yes. Mimi nani wewe yuko kadi? Kila YouTuber ninafaa kuweka kadi.
Kila mtu anafaa kuweka kadi.
Bana, juu ground ni kunare mbaya.
Ni kunoma.
Kila kadi.
Hatuwezi toboa. Lazima tubadilishe mambo.
Tutengeneze future yetu. Sisi wenyewe tunajua.
Ni ukweli, ni ukweli.
Sisi ndo tuna choose chenye tunataka. Ndio baadaye tukianza ku regret tusiseme ati ni wazae.
I know. This is our chance.
Bana.
Kazi kwa aje?
Kazi kwa fiti. Just driving and surviving. Hata busy signal alisema we have to strive.
Ukweli.
We have to survive, si ndio?
Sawa, shinda fiti. Haya. The weather is changing and I need to go back because whenever it rains in Nairobi, hey madam, if it rains in Nairobi, it finds me here, Lord Father. And maybe, hello, Kokadi. Why? Hey, pia anakaa kurudi nyuma upite na sisi. Drivers ni kanyage. Hai, poa. Oh ya sasa. This is the Kenya National Archives. Guys, it's raining. I'll just pass through here as I'm going towards home. This is the Kenya National Archives. You see the way people are hurrying up, going. There were some public toilets here. They were demolished and the place looks even better after demolishing the place. So that's a new mall there. Is it a mall? Or whatever it is. It's new. Yo, what wanaenda choo? Because these were the only chores public toilet. They are the only closed public toilets. This is where Tuskys used to be. Oh, it's now a mall. Simara Mall. So guys, those are the updates that I wanted to show you today. So I'll just end this video here. I'll just end this video here. Yo! Musinifinye. Oh yeah. Let me go board a matatu. Before the floods decide to do their thing. Because I'm not sure if they have unblocked the drainage system here. So guys, again, thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hello, give it a thumbs up, and see you. Hello, see you in the next one. Bye for now.